Welcome to December's Market Update. Let's take a look at residential real estate activity in your area during the month of December. The number of active listings was stable from 1 year earlier and down 25% from the previous month. These latest figures mean that buyers had a more limited selection of homes to choose from compared to the previous month. As you can see, the median listing price for the month was just under $530,000. Compared to last year, the average number of days that units spent on the market before being sold was down 2%. This lower number of days may signal a positive trend in the local inventory turnover rate. The median sale price was just over $490,000. The number of units sold decreased 4% year over year and increased 4% month over month. Despite a slight annual decrease, this upward monthly sales trend indicates positive momentum. Thanks for watching. We hope you use this information to make smart, informed decisions in your upcoming real estate transactions. Feel free to contact us for more information or further assistance.